February 18, Tuesday market we are watching. In 2 minutes of market open, sell call generator, red color candle open. Like this daily, automatically it will give calls like a signal in this chart. The sell call came at sell at 49,325. Can you see that straight white line from red candle? This is the entry line. Below line are target line, above line is the stop loss line. The first target range is 49,201. It's more than 120 point first target range. So it's like a 124 point first target. So daily automatically it will give the calls like a signal. Right now you are watching this video like this daily, you need to open this chart and watch this signal. If buy call came means green color candle. If it's a sell call means red color candle will come. So whenever the breakout happen, you will receive the call like a signal. So through this signal you can do your tradings. So if you want to know the chart plan detail, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will send you the plan detail. So let's wait and see how it moves in live market. Within 10 minutes of market open, in just 8 candles, it successfully break out the first target range. Like this call generated and break out the first target range. And continuous bearish momentum, market was going downside direction only, and it break out the second target range also. Like this call generated and break out both the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will send you the plan detail. Thank you.